Hey guys, welcome back. Got another exciting episode in the Unlikely DIY series. So this right here is a ultrasonic toothbrush from my roommate. She claimed that it's broken and she was going to throw it out, so I figure I recover it and try to see if we could fix it. So if you hold on to the tip here, there's a lot of noise. It's making a lot of noise, but there's very little vibration. So we're going to open it up and see what the cause may be. It may just be worn gears, or we don't know what we're going to find. So let's find out together. So the issue with these electric toothbrushes are they generally have pretty decent waterproofing sealing on it. So it's kind of hard to figure out how to crack them open. So I think there's a seam right here where the button is, and also the bottom assembly appears to be shoved in there somehow. So let's try and see if we can break her open with by brute force. Oh, I can't open her up, so this thing's kind of pissed me off. We're gonna burn it. Alright, well, this is the sharpest thing we have right here. This is our gauge thickness finder. Hopefully we won't break it. Alright, so the chances of recovery is very slim right now. It doesn't matter. We're doing this for a future educational sake. We should heat it up a little bit. Just to know what these things look like on the inside. So there, this is how these things are constructed. Looks like a battery here. I don't know what this is. Feels like a capacitor of sorts. And little circuitry. And the actual sonic mechanism is embedded in the head. And since it wasn't working very well, I imagine it's probably broken somehow. Alright, well, take a good look. And yeah, probably not worth fixing. Alright, hope this helped you. Bye-bye. Alright, since we've come this far in the disassembly process, so again, this is the sonic toothbrush, and how it works is Have this microcontroller over here. Here's a battery source, and earlier I thought this was some sort of capacitor. It turns out it's just a piece of metal. I think it's here as a sort of as a counterweight to give it a better feel. Now how it works is all of these, everything runs up to these two lines right here, and the sonic element, or the transducer, or whatever this is called, is in the head of the toothbrush. And how it works is inside there's a little coil assembly that sits on what appears to be like an axle, and it just sits freely. I imagine the control mechanism, runs current through and creates an oscillating effect. It creates a magnetic field inside for this coil to just bounce back and forth. And for some reason, it stopped working. Either it got jammed or, whatever the reason. But this is why it stopped working. It broke. And it seems like a very clever design. But hopefully in future iterations they can make it more repairable, because the way it is right now, it's not a repairable object. All right, well, that's it. Thanks for watching.